In past 24 hours, southwest monsoon further advanced into remaining parts of South Arabian Sea, some parts of Central Arabian Sea, and it completely covered the entire Lakshadweep and Kerala. It then moved on to further northwards, and most parts of coastal and south interior Karnataka has been covered by monsoon in past 24 hours. Then some parts of north interior Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, some more parts of Tamil Nadu, and remaining parts of southwest Bay of Bengal, some part of west central and some parts of east central Bay of Bengal also was covered by southwest monsoon currents in past 24 hours. So this is how this green line is how the northern limit of monsoon looks like. It passes through Karwar in Karnataka, then another place Anantapur in Karnataka, then through Vellore and Nagapattinam in Tamil Nadu, and over to central Bay of Bengal. So monsoon has reached almost up to 14° north, the northern point of coastal Karnataka, which is Karwar. And in coming 2 to 3 days, southwest monsoon is very likely to advance further into some more parts of central Arabian Sea and also to some parts of Maharashtra and Goa. That is what monsoon is very likely to advance into in the coming 2 to 3 days. It is expected to advance into some parts of Maharashtra and Goa in coming 2 to 3 days, along with some parts of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, and to the central Bay of Bengal. So the latest observations show that southwest monsoon is very likely to cover Goa and some parts of Maharashtra during next 2 to 3 days. Now, if we talk about the rainfall that occurred over Goa in past 24 hours, almost all the rainfall reporting stations, all the rain gauge stations reported rainfall over Goa, and highest was reported from Valpoi, which was 4.6 centimeters of rainfall. Pername also reported 31 mm, that is 3.1 centimeters of rainfall. Now the rainfall activity and thunder shower activity is going to continue over Goa for the coming 4 to 5 days. There are two weather systems like it was mentioned on 3rd June. The similar weather systems persist. There is a trough that is running from South Maharashtra up to southern Kerala part. That trough is off the coast of South Maharashtra and running all the way up to South Kerala. So there is this system that is feeding moisture, and along with that, the circulation that is extending up to 4.5 kilometers of height is still there over East Central Arabian Sea. So with these two systems there, the possibility of isolated heavy rainfall also cannot be ruled out. So if we check the warnings, thunderstorm accompanied with lightning at isolated places, that warning is there for 3 days, that is up to 6th June. Then possibility of isolated heavy rainfall also is there over North and South Goa district at isolated places for 4th and 5th of June as well. Fishermen warnings are there for the regions of West Central and Southwest Arabian Sea, along with the region along and off the coast of Kerala and Karnataka. Winds of speed 40 to 50 kilometers per hour, gusting to 60 kilometers per hour is likely to prevail along and off the coast of Kerala and Karnataka and adjoining East Central Arabian Sea on 4th and 5th June. So this is the region which is very close to Goa, and fishermen are requested not to venture into these areas for the coming 48 hours. Region along and off the coast of Kerala and Karnataka and the adjoining East Central Arabian Sea. Then there is warning for all 5 days in the region West Central and Southwest Arabian Sea. So please note, fishermen are requested not to venture into these two areas for the mentioned time period.